What's up, guys? Today's test, we have the single leg balance test. Okay, so for this test, all you need is a stopwatch or an iPhone. If you have a partner to time you, it will be a little bit easier, but you do not need a partner by any means. You can do this by yourself at home or on a field. Okay, so the test will look like this. I'm by myself today, so I'm gonna test myself. I'm gonna put this clock on the ground. I'm gonna get myself nice and set up before I start the timer, so I'm gonna familiarize myself with the position. So I'm gonna straighten one leg out. I'm gonna bring the opposite knee up at 90 degrees. This hip is also at 90 degrees. So if you'll notice right now, this left knee is locked out, so this leg is nice and long, and this is at 90 and 90, okay? There are a couple different ways for the test to stop. Obviously, if this foot hits the ground, test is over, okay? If this knee drops, the test is also over, okay? So it doesn't actually have to hit the ground for it to be over. It has to stay up here the whole time. And then the last thing that you probably won't pay as much attention to is this down leg. So if this down knee sinks like this, the test is also over, okay? So you have to be nice and long through that down leg. Real time, it would look like this. I'm gonna start the clock. I'll wait until about the 5-second mark, right here, okay? And I'm just gonna hang out there. Okay, if I wiggle side to side like this, that's fine. Just make sure, again, this knee stays up, this knee stays locked out. We'll pretend I can't last any longer. Boom, my foot came down. That said 17 seconds. I started at the 5-second mark, so that means I was on that leg for 12 seconds. You guys are gonna go repeat that on the other side to kind of try and identify differences between each leg.